Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the municipality of Haidari. I welcome you to the fifth workshop of the Erasmus Plus program, which is Pitch the Theatre of Ideas, and is held in Haidari in the municipality, as I already told. I'm Dimitris Katsidoniotis, and I'm representing O.C.E.A.N NGO. What will you see next are the pitching proposals of the people who attended this 5 days workshop on the local and also national problem of brain drain. Enjoy. Chrisanti Avronindu from Athens.
In Greece, there are many talents in the field of music, theatre, and arts in general. Many artists are forced to go abroad. Greek universities provide higher education in the subject. In the field of research, the possibilities are limited because there are no incentives. Despite the fact that there is culture, the country does not have any professional rehabilitation and does not motivate young artists. The arts alone are a tool for artists to showcase their potential and skills. Through the arts and culture, all social phenomena are captured. One idea is the creation of cultural structures from the Attica region with state funding so that young artists can enjoy their work. To create student orchestras, adult professional orchestras, choirs, theatrical groups, art groups, etc. To also give the opportunity of students and young people as a motivation not to drain Greek talents abroad.
Manos Nikolakakis from Athens.
Greetings, we're SSUG, Student Solidarity Union Global. We have created a global network in which an innovative young graduate will be placed in a co-op company on an apprenticeship-like employment with regular pay. The company will be selected carefully in order to be appropriate for their studies and working conditions. The obligation of the selected individual will be to become a mentor to another recruited graduate at the same company after 6 months. Sign and join us.
Ivan Chromatko from Croatia.
Yes, we all know brain drain is a big problem in Greece. But is it really? Ancient Greek culture wouldn't become great without its diaspora, and Europe wouldn't be great without the freedom of movement. So let's use the Erasmus Plus program to educate young Greeks in Europe and then support their return home through a government subsidized housing program that will give every returning young Greek their 30 square meters to call their own. Let's change brain drain into brain gain.
Andrea Bersic from Slovenia.
Greek mothers put everything into their children, and that's still not enough. Young people are still migrating and leaving everything behind. To prevent this, we need to make the whole situation better, and that's why we need them here, at home. And therefore, because other countries aren't always honey and milk, we have to show that in advance. We should make social media advertisement of testimonies in photos or short videos of people being abroad but not living a fulfilled life because there's only one true home. Thank you.
Ivana Kucek from Croatia.
Dear graduation class 2021, migration is like cancer. It can metastase. We already lost 1 million of highly skilled young people. To stop this, we need to heal our wounds. Opening Center for Entrepreneurship in Athens, in coordination with our business partners and European Union, we can keep youngsters in our country. Together, we will make Greece great again, the land of knowledge and innovation.
Urska Paulic from Slovenia.
Hello everyone. Theater was born in Greece, but you already know that, so why not to use it as a tool to tackle a brain drain problem in Greece? My idea is to bring theater to the people all across the country. Performing invisible theater, pre-prepared plays and public places where people would not expect to see and would not be aware that it's a play would be a great way to raise awareness among them, making one small step from turning brain drain to brain gain. Thank you.
Vanya Budimir from Croatia.
It is a 2021 moment to act. Inspired by the nature, we create Jungle Research Center and EU community in Greece. Let's make a new scientific order, like a tree. We are the trunk, you are the crown, and we all produce fruit. Create your own scientific program with a safe and stable government support.
Kiki Spirou from Thessaloniki.
Your glasses are always dirty. What should you do? Don't worry. Waterproof glasses are made just for you. Modern design, colorful, adapted to any situation, to your condition. Uh, run, uh, run out. If you run out of water, of course, you can visit our charging machines everywhere inside metro. And now we have to share the big news for you. Our company is now active in Greece and looking for specialists just to join us. For more information, visit our website, kikiwaterproducts.com. Don't miss the chance to work with us.
Vasiliki Karanjali from Athens.
Good evening. Great minds are leaving Greece, but not only because of the economy, also because of the lack of queer tolerance. Other countries offer safer workspaces, whereas Greece decides to be 50 years back and offers no laws against discrimination. The people of Pars should consider changing this issue. Make the workplace a safer space for LGBTQ+ people, and add the discrimination laws to the system. If Greece wants their great minds back, they should change their own first. Thank you.
Ilias Miniourakos from Athens.
So, all kinds of innovators, engineers and scientists are leaving the country. Why? Because their pioneering plans and ideas see no use, or that they can perceive. So, what we do is connect them to the show industry. Cinema, TV, theater, etc. We make them create narratives for their great ideas and distribute them to audiences and potential sponsors. So, their ideas see use, they gain their recognition, and maybe we all get a paycheck. Thank you very much.
Yannis Lazaridis from Thessaloniki.
As you know, the economy in Greece is a big mess, and this was created by the bank system and our corrupted governments. So now, in 2021, we created a new cryptocurrency project which can solve this problem forever, the Greek coin. That means that everyone can produce their own money from their home, and life will be better and easier for them, and banks will be no more needed. So, stay, produce, and live. Learn more at www.greekcoin.eu.
Christina Slamidi from Thessaloniki.
It's 2021 in Greece. I have just arrived here from another planet called Kepler 29. I heard a lot about art culture in Greece, but they informed me that artists left Greece because of economic crisis. I have a good news for you. I will build schools in Greece to provide my people without art education, as it's important to our planet. I will need young artists to teach us. In return, I will provide high salaries and high health technology. So invest in us, we invest in you.
Stavros Karagiorgiadis from Thessaloniki.
We can do something constructive to ease the causes of unemployment. We can do something constructive to ease the causes of unemployment.
Thank you very much for your attention. Greetings and have a wonderful evening.